So today there's just one thing which I want to talk about, and it is basically how can you sell with YouTube videos. Now before you would ask the question like why should you trust me, let me show you some things here. Like this is for example one of my clients who I'm working with, and this is what we have created in the last some days. This is what we call an organic VSL, and this is basically what sells the product to the viewer without them feeling sold. And it's very funny how much conversions you can have on a video like this. So today I want to talk about this thing for you because every kind of guru is showing you, and every kind of guru has this. I can show you here as examples. Like I can show you 10 different organic VSLs that people are running and they are selling you products, but you don't even know about them. Like look, this is I think 10 different ones. And there is just one reason why organic VSLs perform so well in conversion rates. Like for example, what I did for one of my clients, for Joaquim Badejo, is like we had a conversion rate on the organic VSL which completely flopped, that every single 100 views meant that we got a sale. And this is the exact organic VSL we had. Just think about it, having a video where every single 100 views means one sale, that's pretty good. And the only thing that allowed these conversion rates is what I'm going to teach you right now. And this is what we call shifting beliefs, because the reason you can't sell a product isn't because your product is not worth it or you don't know how to sell a product, is because people don't believe in your product. So when you're trying to sell a product, what you need to do is make people believe that that product solves their problem. Because like this is a person who has a big pain right here and you have a solution to it, but if the other person doesn't really believe that this solution is the right fit for their problem, why should they buy it from you? And how you can do these belief shifts is really simple. Either you can go in a logical or an emotional way. And I think using both of these is the best way to go forwards. Now let me give you a perfect example right here. Let's say you have this pain that you don't know how to get clients from your YouTube. But now that I want to sell you something, I have to make you believe that what kind of solution I have is the perfect fit for it. For let's say I have a course on getting clients on YouTube. And if I want to sell you this simple course, what I need to do is make you believe that what I'm going to provide you as the solution is what's going to solve this problem for you. So for example, if in this course I teach you thumbnails, also titles and also positioning, what that means is that if I say that the only reason you don't get clients from YouTube right now is because your thumbnails suck, people don't click on it, titles doesn't create enough curiosity, and your positioning is actually trash, atrocious, and the only way you can get clients if someone sees your content, clicks on it by having enough curiosity created by the title, and the video is positioned perfectly to solve the problem, the pain point they have, you're going to get clients. Now, if I have convinced you that these are the 3 things you need in order to get clients, now you're going to buy my course. Because I made sure that you have these beliefs implanted in you that you need thumbnails, titles, and positioning in order to get clients. And now selling my course is going to be easy, because now I can say that, hey, my course, YouTube Growth, is the easiest way that anyone can learn today how to create perfect thumbnails, titles, and how to position perfectly the content, so when people click on it, they will immediately feel that they need to buy your product. And as you're watching the content, you don't feel the belief shifts, but if you're thinking about it logically, you're going to be sold on something and then emotionally convinced that that's the right way. So if you want to sell a product, a service, or either you want to get clients from your content, what you need to do is simply shift the beliefs of your viewers. And the best way to do this is understand what you're trying to sell, this is your product, and drawing down and understanding where is currently your viewer and where you need to take them in order for them to buy the product. So it's like you have a current situation and the desired situation, and in between there are certain beliefs that you can make people go through until they are going to buy the product. And as some examples I can show you here, I have analyzed a lot of organic VSLs. I have tried to understand what kind of belief shifting process they go through. For example, let's check out this person, I don't know the name of the creator, Organic VSL. The title is the best online business for beginners to start in 2025. And the belief shift that happens is that, hey, these are the people who want to start making money. These are the current situation of the people. Then I have to make sure that you believe that you have to start a business. If that's done, I have to make you believe that you need the right business model. If that's done, I need to say that you need one business model specifically for 2024 because times have changed. And if I have made you believe that, I can make you believe that agency is the only way. Then I can make you believe that marketing agency is the only way. then I can tell you that the acquisition agency is the only way. And if I made sure that all these beliefs have been shifted, I can go on the last step and give you some kind of call to action and make sure that I persuade you emotionally to go and check out the next steps, like going to my VSL, going to my funnel and buying or whatever it is. I'm going to persuade you emotionally to do them. And because you're already pre-sold on these beliefs, I don't need to have the perfect funnel. I don't need to have the perfect product. All I need to do is simply make you go to the right direction. And everything else is going to sort out its way because you're already sold on what you need to do. And this is why the best way to sell any kind of product today in this environment in 2025, the trust recession, is an organic VSL, but with the perfect belief shifting. Of course, organic VSLs work really well, but if you don't know how to create them, doesn't matter. All you need is to shift beliefs of the people in order for people to be pre-sold on your value, on your product, and it's going to be easy to sell products and also to get clients. Now, if you need help with creating your organic VSL, there's a link down below where you can book a call right now and I can help you do that. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. See you later.